So you went out and you bought a Chevy Bolt EV, a very economical car and a fun car. But to make it as economical as possible, you want to set up the charging on your car to only happen during your off-peak hours for your electricity bill. How do you set that up? Last month, I uploaded a video on how to charge your EV, and I got a comment asking me to please make a video on how to set up charging on a time schedule. So I'm going to take some time here and show you what you need to do to go through on the screen to set up your car to charge at specific times, to finish charging at specific times, and to take advantage of your electricity provider's off-peak rates. So you'll start from the home screen on the infotainment system, and you'll tap on the energy icon. Go over here to charging, and here's where you can adjust your charge level if you want it set at 80, 90, 100, or anything else. Once that's set, you're good. But to get into programming, you hit charging options. This is where you can set the amps for your level 1 charger, location-based charging for home, and all of that. To get into programming, you need to go to delayed charging and turn that on. This allows you to now program your departure times. So say I want the car to be, it defaults to 7 a.m., but if I want it to finish charging at say 6:30, it goes in 15-minute increments, so that the car has just finished charging when it's time for me to leave. I can do that, and it sets that departure time. Then I can go back, oops, went too far, to utility rate charging, because now that's no longer grayed out like these were, and I need to turn that on. I can change my charge rate preference to any of these. If I want to go to off-peak only, I select that. And then I just need to say when my schedule is. I'm just going to go to yearly because that's easy, and do my weekday schedule. So I'm going to go to this off-peak, and I have to kind of start everything from scratch. So I can say that this off-peak period ends at midnight, go back, but my peak ends at 9 p.m. So I can change it that way to 9, save it, and then it makes the adjustment here for when off-peak starts. Now let's say my off-peak ends at 10 a.m., then I can save that. I have to kind of do them in order, in concert with each other, so that they'll all work. And now the car will only charge during those off-peak times. If you have a smart charger as a level 2 EVSE, or even a smart level 1 EVSE that allows you to program your charge times on it, you can also do it that way. But try to make sure that you're not using the car and the smart charger, because sometimes they will fight with each other. So pick which one's going to work out easiest for you and more convenient, because otherwise you might wake up in the morning and your car's not charged up. If you found this video informative, please give us a like. If you want more content like this, please subscribe and comment for some other videos that you might like to see. Thank you very much for watching.